In this video, we will discuss an example of a larger power event, which is larger than the squares. Example 4. Evaluate integration of cos the power of 4x dx. Now, let me look the solution. For integration of cos the power of 4x dx, now we can see that the cos is even power, but more than 2 or squared. So, what should we do is, for cos even, we need to use double angle identity. Firstly, we need to split to cos squared x and cos squared x. And then we need to replace cos squared x by half times 1 plus cos 2x from double angle identity. And the other cos squared x, we use the same formula. Okay. And then we need to move out constant 1 over 4. How we have 1 over 4? Because we multiply half and half. So we get 1 over 4, and then because 1 over 4 is a constant, so we can move out from integration sign. Then we have 1 plus cos 2x times 1 plus cos 2x, which can write as 1 plus cos 2x bracket squared. And after that, we need to expand 1 plus cos 2x squared. We can expand it using formula a plus b squared, which is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, when we compare, our a is 1 and our b is cos 2x. When we use this formula, a squared means we need to use 1 squared. So 1 squared still equals to 1. Okay, and then we have 2ab means 2 times 1 times cos 2x, which is equals to 2 cos 2x. And then plus b squared. Our b is cos 2x. So when we square, so we have cos squared 2x. Then we separate one by one, and each integration must have 1 over 4 in front. Okay. And after that, we simplify 1 over 4 and 2. So we have 1 over 2 integration of cos 2x. And after that, we can integrate one by one. We can integrate 1 and the answer is x. We just use direct integration. Okay. And then we integrate cos 2x equals to half times sine 2x, because there is no powers of sine or cosine, so we can directly integrate using formula integration of cos ax dx equals to 1 over a sine ax plus c. Now we have our a equals to 2, so we can write 1 over 2. Sine ax means sine 2x. Okay. And then we need to integrate cos squared 2x. To integrate cos squared 2x, we can see that the powers of cos is even. Because there is powers of sine or cosine, so we can't directly integrate. We need to identify whether odd power, so we can use U substitution, or even power, so we can use double angle identity. Okay, after we integrate cos squared 2x using double angle identity, because 2 is even, so the final answer for integration of cos squared 2x is equals to half x plus 1 over 8 sine 4x. Okay, how do we get this answer? I leave it as an exercise for you. You can send to me by Friday, 17th of April 2020 before 3 p.m. Okay, got it? Okay, we continue. And after we integrate cos squared to x, then we get this answer. Then we need to expand half times half. So we have 1 over 4 sine 2x. And we expand 1 over 4. We multiply with half x. So we have 1 over 8x. And then we multiply 1 over 4 with 1 over 8 sine 4x. So we have 1 over 32 sine 4x plus c. And then from this answer, we can see that we have same term containing x, which is 1 over 4x and 1 over 8x. So we can simplify it. Okay, we just add 1 over 4x and 1 over 8x. Then we have 3 over 8x plus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus 1 over 32 sine 4x plus c. Okay, that's the final answer. Okay. Coming up next, integration of powers of secant tangent. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye. Assalamualaikum.